Self-awareness and leadership is something that's very brave and courageous to do, to look inwards on yourself. It takes accountability, transparency, compassion, playfulness. It takes just really owning all the parts of yourself so that you can show up and respect who you work with, your team, the people in your life, and remembering that we're human and we're all learning and evolving. So again, a lot of grace, a lot of compassion, a lot of humility, a lot of listening, and just being able to reflect and introspect, having healthy boundaries, right? That's so important so that we are acting in sovereignty, meaning you're not having power over others and other people are not having power over you. So it's really, really unlocking yourself, knowing your triggers, being accountable, and again, having a sense of playfulness and taking care of yourself so that you have full energy and you can delegate and ask for help too, even though you're in leadership. So to me, that is what self-awareness and leadership entails.